Understanding Cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide. What if your next paycheck was in digital coins instead of dollars? Imagine living in a world where the very concept of money is being redefined by technology. Cryptocurrency isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's transforming the financial world. These digital coins, built on groundbreaking blockchain technology, offer more than just a new way to pay. They represent a shift in power from centralized institutions to individuals. I'm going to explore how cryptocurrency works, its benefits, and how you can safely start your crypto journey. Stay until the end for essential tips to navigate this exciting yet complex space with confidence. Did you know cryptocurrency isn't just digital money but a secure, decentralized innovation? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that relies on cryptography to secure transactions, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, ensuring transparency and security. The concept was born out of a desire for financial freedom and security, especially during times of economic instability. With cryptocurrencies, there's no need for banks or intermediaries, allowing individuals to have complete control over their money. How can cryptocurrency operate without banks or governments? Cryptocurrencies rely on blockchain technology, which is essentially a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is verified and added as a block in the chain, ensuring security and transparency. This decentralized nature means that no single entity can control or manipulate the currency, offering a level of trust and transparency unmatched by traditional systems. Blockchain isn't just about currency, its applications extend to supply chains, healthcare, and even voting systems. Why is Bitcoin still king, and what about alternatives like Ethereum? Bitcoin, launched in 2009, remains the most recognized cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold. Ethereum, on the other hand, brought smart contracts to the blockchain, enabling developers to build decentralized applications. Thousands of other cryptocurrencies, like Cardano and Solana, have emerged with unique features tailored to specific use cases. While Bitcoin serves as a store of value, Ethereum and other altcoins expand blockchain's potential, offering solutions for gaming, finance, and even art with NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Understanding the differences can help you choose the right cryptocurrency for your needs. Why is cryptocurrency both exciting and challenging? Cryptocurrency offers incredible benefits, including financial inclusion for the unbanked, lower transaction fees, and fast cross-border payments. However, it comes with risks such as high price volatility, susceptibility to scams, and regulatory uncertainty in many countries. To balance the benefits and risks, it's essential to educate yourself about how the crypto market works. Diversifying your investments and only using reputable exchanges can help protect your assets. Cryptocurrencies aren't just investments, they represent a technological revolution with real-world implications. Where do you even begin with cryptocurrency? Starting your crypto journey begins with creating a secure digital wallet. Next, choose a trusted exchange like Coinbase or Binance to buy your first cryptocurrency. Begin with small investments to familiarize yourself with the market and avoid unnecessary risks. Many platforms now offer beginner-friendly features, like step-by-step guides and educational resources to help you get started. By starting small, you can experiment and learn without feeling overwhelmed. Have you ever wondered how new cryptocurrencies are created? Mining is the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, earning cryptocurrency rewards in return. While mining was initially accessible to anyone with a computer, the growing complexity of networks like Bitcoin has led to the rise of large mining operations. Some cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum, are moving away from mining to eco-friendly alternatives like proof of stake. Can digital coins do more than just buy things? Cryptocurrencies are being used in innovative ways, from tokenizing real estate assets to funding startups through ICOs, initial coin offerings. Some charitable organizations accept crypto donations, ensuring transparency in how funds are used. Blockchain, the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies, has applications far beyond finance. It's transforming industries like supply chain management, healthcare, and even art with NFTs. Did you know cryptocurrencies are revolutionizing the gaming industry? Cryptocurrencies are transforming gaming by introducing play-to-earn models, where players can earn digital tokens or assets while gaming. Blockchain technology enables true ownership of in-game assets, allowing players to trade, sell, or use items across multiple games. Cryptocurrencies like Engine Coin and Axie Infinity have paved the way for a decentralized gaming economy. Gamers are now investing in blockchain-powered games where their time and effort translate into real-world value. This shift is blurring the lines between entertainment and financial opportunities, making gaming a lucrative space. How is cryptocurrency transforming cross-border money transfers? Cryptocurrencies have streamlined global remittances by making cross-border money transfers faster, cheaper, and more secure. Traditional remittance services charge high fees and take days to process transactions, whereas cryptocurrencies enable near-instant transfers with minimal costs. Platforms like Ripple and Stellar are leading this financial revolution. Cryptocurrencies are particularly beneficial for people in underbanked regions, giving them access to global financial systems. By eliminating intermediaries, blockchain-based remittances empower individuals and reduce the financial burden on families. Is cryptocurrency sustainable, or is it harming the planet? The energy consumption of Bitcoin mining has sparked significant concerns. However, many newer cryptocurrencies are adopting eco-friendly practices, such as proof-of-stake models, to reduce their environmental impact. Sustainability is becoming a key focus in the crypto world. Projects like Cardano and Solana demonstrate that blockchain technology can evolve to meet environmental challenges. How is AI shaping the future of crypto? Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing cryptocurrency trading, fraud detection, and scalability. AI algorithms analyze market trends to make precise predictions, assisting traders in making informed decisions. The integration of AI with blockchain technology could lead to more efficient and secure financial systems, enabling faster transactions and smarter contract execution. Want to maximize your crypto experience while minimizing risks? Tip number 1. Secure your wallet. Use hardware wallets for enhanced security. Tip number 2. Stay updated. Follow credible sources to keep up with market trends and regulations. Tip number 3. Diversify. Avoid putting all your funds into a single cryptocurrency. The crypto market evolves rapidly, and staying informed is your best defense against risks. These tips can help you build a sustainable and secure approach to cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is more than just digital money. It's a technological revolution reshaping industries and redefining financial independence. By understanding its workings and implications, you can confidently navigate this evolving landscape. If this video helped simplify cryptocurrency for you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.